And on days when, the temperature is such that fillers and glues and things don't really like working when it's cold, so you look for other things to do. And I thought, I know what I'm going to do. I'm going to clean this window. Trying to think when I cleaned it last, and the outside is pretty naff. But I just thought, let's just take a moment to look at the scenery from the bedroom window. Of course, most of the dirt is on the outside, and I'm not doing the outside today. And the phantom is wondering what this is all about. I don't think he's ever seen snow. Well, I have cleaned that window, honest. Just for the record, I used that, which works a treat. Leaves the room smelling like pickled onions, but hey. And I moved a bit of furniture, and I found this chap. Thankfully, I found him after he died, and he didn't find me. Yeah, we do have hornets in this part of France, and if we use good old-fashioned feet and inches, this little chap, I don't know, are they male, female? I'm not an insect expert, but you can see it's more than an inch long. C'est une frelon, a hornet, or for those of you in Germany, a hornis. Hornis? I'm sure you'll correct me on that. But yeah, not the sort of thing you want to have buzzing around the room while you're trying to sleep. People tell me that a sting from one of these can be horribly painful. There we are. I'll give it a decent Christian burial shortly.